Hey guys, it's noon. We're here for lunch at Ramsay's restaurant here in London. They open up at noon. 3-star Michelin hotel. Go and see if it's good. You ready?
3 Michelin stars.
How do you feel so far? It's fancy, right? Beautiful food, delicious, man. Especially this stuff, man. Appetizer.
Service was pretty good.
Super good.
So I have the fish. I forgot what fish.
Fish sticks.
We got the chicken.
Saint something farms. Whole fresh chicken and
This is like the cage-free.
steel cage.
Yeah. Cage-free.
Like what? Like
Yeah. I look like I'm like so stiff.
So we got dessert here. We got blood orange on top of, I don't know, bread?
Huh?
I forgot what I got. And then the coffee souffle.
Baker Street Station.
Hi. With the double-decker bus. 1200 to 1250.
The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss.
It's a New Testament.
Looks old. So we just got back from Harry Potter. We took the train back to here again.
Cheers. Cheerio.
So we are back. We just had some beers. We finished watching the second half of Harry Potter and the Cursed Child because it's like 3 hours each, so it's better to split them both up. And it was a pretty great show. Like, damn. I loved it so much. It was so good. I would watch it again.
I know, I would too.
I'm sorry for that interruption. I'm just kidding.
I like it because spoilers.
Maybe we'll avoid the spoiler part.
Okay. I like the flashbacks, the characters.
Hey, day whichever. I don't know. We're going to walk around and do some stuff. Portobello Market and then Harrods. So.
Thirsty guy.
Water too. I don't drink water.
I know, only here in London.
Only when I'm tired. I'm tired of my ass.
I was gonna say, you didn't bring your Kool-Aid.
Oh.
You can like drink flavored water.
Yes,
no flavor.
So no one.
Me?
No one ever. Why? You happy that I'm not having flavored water? Oh, because you don't want to drink.
I don't want flavored water. I just want plain water.
So we're here getting afternoon tea. Well, she did. I got lamb shank though.
No, look at this.
Hey guys, it's another day and we're going to the StoneHenge tour. Look at the baths and stuff like that. We're just waiting for the Uber right now. Uber.
Cast your eyes to the right. The very tall stones that you can see.
So we're here at the StoneHenge tour, and we're here already. Check this out. It's funny because I just watched Transformers, the last night, and this is where it took place, the battle. I'm here where the battle was.
Strictly speaking, henges have their ditches inside the bank.
So that was it. We're gonna head to the best part of the tour, the gift shop.
Yeah.
You will fall in love with this city, and you will absolutely hate me at 4:30. Drag me away from it.
Man, I'm drawing blanks today.
Orange pasty.
Pasty.
Pasty. Hot. Hot, hot, hot.
We're here at Crystal Palace for Sunday roast because the first place didn't have any. So we're gonna try the one here. Just one. So this is a Sunday roast.
Yeah, Sunday roast.
This is Trish's GoPro.
No, this one.
Oh.
Mash. Sweet potato.
We're at the Roman Baths and we're just waiting until 2:30. We're about to go in and check out some cool stuff. What kind of cool stuff's in here, I think?
Inside?
Yeah.
Oh, isn't there like a hologram thingy where you actually see them, like how
Tupac.
they did it before?
It's a hologram of Tupac, yo.
Hologram concerts of the Romans.
So I think this is where the hot water comes out of the spring and runs all the way to the pool on the other side. Perfect.
Yeah.
What's that? Deliciousness?
It's like metally, metallic taste. You wanna try
This is the thumbnail for the video. No, it's alright. Yeah, it doesn't taste like a penny.
It does, right?
Yeah.
This POV makes the money.
Hey, we are at St. Paul's Cathedral, where Princess Diana and Prince Charles got married. She says. That's what she says.
I want to go in there now.
We're here at the Tower of London. This is what it looks like.
Over here on the side. Oh, thank you.
This is the British Museum, and it's huge.
Welcome to my library, or my antique collection.
Yeah, what kind of stuff are you going to show us today?
Oh, here's my library. Here I keep all my first edition books.
This is King Ramses II. And now I will apply digital effects to show you what he might look like today. Sorry, I'm putting a stick in my ass. Your diary. Oh, wow.
Going back to London. Oh, it's dark.
She's
Our
just.
room got. We just took a bite. Our room got a free phone with like data.
There's a cell phone basically in here,
Yeah.
chilling on this dock, and it has 4G LTE for London. So, and we took it out one day, and it was totally useful. because mine was slow as crap. And just like that, we're all packed. I'm all showered, clean, ready to go for the train. And then got all our stuff ready to go. And we're done. Goodbye, room. Thank you so much.
We're here at the international train station. We're on our way to Paris. Okay, so you can kind of see the view.
Quite a sight.
Oh, they only sell perfume and makeup. Okay.
There's a train station. Over the rack.
I guess it's easier to just have like a, what do you call that?
One age.
No, a backpack.
Oh, that was an option.
Yeah, I know.
So
Not a
that's
backpack, but
limited carry-on.
yeah.